Dear friends, the topic of discussion is big data. So before go to the topic of in detail of big data, so why we need to talk about the big data today's environment? So data, we know that it is a similar term derived from the Latin word datum. So data is processed in a different levels and used various multiple systems. Like for example, when it started, it is like a database management systems. Then the next level is we are talking about relational database management system. Then people are talking about or implementing various technologies oriented, object oriented relational database management system. At present era, so big data concept is evolved. So what do you know the big data? And big data is everywhere. So big data means that is a too large and too complex for conventional data tools or to capture, store, analysis and making decision making for billion amount of data in, I can say that it's a different highly volume of terabytes. There are more than million amount of people are using at the same time to access the data from the big storage houses of data. There are so many types of data also stored in a various way, but generally we talk about the 3 V's of big data. So what are the 3 V's of big data? The first one is volume, the second one is variety, third one is velocity. So if you talk about the volume, so how much amount of the data is stored in the particular server, or how much data amount of storing in the running amount like a streaming of data, or how many people are accessing the same data at the particular time. There are n number of volume in the T different K, that is for the first V, that is called the volume. The second one is variety. Variety means there are different types of data in a variety of forms. For example, structured or unstructured in a 2 different way. What is structured way? If you go to the particular way that for that geographical term or the philosophical term, or we can talk about the scientific term, or various types of variety of data. So we have to classify the big data under the variety. That means type of the data. And third one is velocity. How you are going to velocity it is going to be implicated. So these are the 3 V's are playing the very big role about the big data. But how the big data is going to play a big role in today's, especially for the global scenario. So when we talk about the big data, so we need the high power and server, or we need the power and high powered accessible systems like the client server based systems, and third one is high powered internet services providers. So once any client is trying to access the data from the particular end, then huge volume of data, as we already talked about, the variety of data is one. So there are so many business analytical tools are required. Once we talk about the analytical tool, then how we are going to make the analysis. Until or otherwise, if you have the proper planning for organizing the data or storing the data in the different cluster in the server, then it's very difficult if you are going to take the data from the global data. For example, I can say stock market or share market, the values are randomly changed and various types of products, various types of various companies that are going to play your data, and the data is playing a very important role. But once as a client you are going to take particular data from the streaming data, so that so much analytical powered systems are required. So what I try to say that, so big data is everywhere. Otherwise the big data was generated in the last 2 years, like I can say in the statistically more than 90% of the systems in the corporate world today is coming under the big data. Thank you.